Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I guess we all love what we love, and this is exactly why I cannot lose any weight. These Pillsbury Grands cinnamon rolls, they have become my absolute favorite. I've put a can of them in this pan. I simply sprayed the pan with Pam, pulled them out. I didn't swirl them quite right, but that's okay. I got all of the cinnamon out, and I'm gonna pop them in the oven. This is how they looked when they came out. I pretty much just monitor them. I don't over bake them. I just like them to be golden brown, but thoroughly cooked all the way through so that the breading or the dough is cooked. And now it's time to take them out of the oven and apply the icing. All you have to do is just swirl the icing on there while they are still hot. The icing is included in the can with the cinnamon rolls themselves. I recently just started eating these opposed to the chocolate chip slice and bake cookies that I used to purchase, and I just absolutely love them. Although I still like to buy fresh cinnamon rolls from the bakery and specialty stores, this is an easier way to have them readily available anytime that I want so that I can enjoy them as much as I want. I want to thank you for tapping into this video, and if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please take this opportunity to hit the subscribe button. Click your notification bell so you too can be notified each time I upload a video. For the most part, I do home decor designs and decor, some furniture staging, some product demonstrations and reviews, but every now and then I just do real life videos that talk about things that are going on or just things that I love or like to do for the enjoyment of life. These are just about ready, and in a few minutes, my daughter and we are going to dig in. Stay tuned for more videos from Freddie King's Home Decor. I know you can enjoy this, but believe me, we certainly will.